Hello! In this second tutorial we are going to learn how to add more glamorous details to our flat design drawings, and especially we are going to learn how to create pattern design. Okay? There is very special and interesting function inside Adobe Illustrator to easily create your pattern. Okay? For your exercise, I suggest you just to try to see the effect of the pattern on your wall draw or your wall dress or piece of clothing, and then I will show you how to draw in detail the pattern to be printing on the fabric, so the real pattern we are going to draw. But just to check the final effect, we need to try with Illustrator. Okay, let's imagine we are going to create we want to create a little dots pattern on this dress. Okay, first of all, I want you just to go in the main layer here, flat design. You need to click on this dress. You need to copy, Command C, Command V, okay, to duplicate, and you have another dress. You go in the layer window, you click on the plus icon here. I want to create in between this layer. I double click on the name and I put this pattern. Okay. Now I click on the dress with the black arrow, so it's selected. You can see here the position where it is these elements. We just drag this little red square in the other layer, so I change the layer where it is. Okay. And then I locked all the other layer and I click on the pattern because I want to draw here. Then, okay, to create this, okay, let's remember to save. Okay, I want to click on the shape, so I keep plus here, I select ellipse. Okay, maybe you can see rectangle here or any kind of shape. You keep pressed so you can see the other one. I keep press the shift button, okay, in order to create a perfect circle. So the button is shift, yeah. I click on this and then I click on the fill because I want to make it maybe not wide, I want just a beautiful, oh yeah, we can decide, yeah. Interesting pink, I'm just selecting the color, yeah. And I don't want to have the stroke, so I click on the stroke and I make none. Okay, then I click in the corner in the control point, keep press shift, not to distort it, to have it more little. I click on this dot, I click on the menu, top menu bar object, pattern make. Okay, the software is telling me that now I am inside the editing part of the pattern, not in the main artwork. Okay, and then I click OK. As you can see, it created repetition for me. Okay, I can change the way it is repeated. Okay, maybe I suggest this. You can try all the effect. Okay, now I change the distance between the dots. 0.3. Okay, I think it's interesting. Okay, when I finish editing my pattern, I click here. You can see these gray lines to show me that we are inside the pattern part of editing. I click on done to complete everything, and now I'm on my main drawing part. Okay, and I can delete what I don't need. Okay, now I click on this second dress. Okay, I need to see the swatches window. If it's not visible, Windows, swatches, here. Okay, it appears my pattern, new pattern. Okay, you can edit also the name. Okay, so I click on this. Okay, now it is applied to the line. This is why it's not visible. So I click on this curve to swap. Okay, I applied all the dots here. And I don't want to see the stroke visible. Now I just move this effect on the top of my dress. Oh, it's very beautiful. I can do with any kind of shape, okay? I suggest you just to create easy shape, not so complicated for this effect, because they will be not so visible, okay? When we are going to create exactly the motif we are going to print exactly on fabric, you need to add all the details. And then save. I can try to copy again this Command C, Command V, okay? Because I want to apply different kind of pattern, okay? So maybe I can use the pen tool again just to draw some little patterns, okay? Put the colors. I want to make it, yeah, light blue. I use the control point to rotate it. I duplicate it. When I go near, okay, the control point and it appears the curved line, I can do the rotation. Okay. Okay, now I select everything, okay, object, group, okay, great. I don't want to move it. Okay, Command Z because I want to make it more, okay, perfect. Adjustment. Okay, object group. Now I click on this flower, object, pattern, make again. Okay, click OK. I say okay, light blue flower. Okay, which is the right repetition. I can make it smaller here. Okay, selecting everything. Yeah, and maybe the distance. Okay, I leave it like this. I like it. Copies. And then here again I click on this top gray bar, done. Okay, now I click on my piece of clothing, I click on the swatches window, light blue flower pattern, and I can apply. So I remove this and I put this here so you can see exactly the effect. Much more interesting. Now you can imagine any kind of shape, could be stripes, could be I don't know, cars, aeroplanes, anything you can imagine to put on your pieces of clothing.